Enhance your cookbook with free pages that personalize your book, including a title page, personal pages, table of contents, index, and a mail order page. The first page is the title page and shows your cookbook's title and subtitle, as well as your organization's name and address. 4 free personal pages will follow the title page. You may include a dedication, acknowledgement, history, poems, or other content. 1 photo printed in black ink may be included for free. To enhance your personal pages, choose from 10 free artwork sets. If you prefer, pages can be printed without artwork. Type styles will match the recipe format you've selected, so all cookbook pages are coordinated. For an extra charge, you may include additional personal pages and photos. Please note that 1 page is 1 side of a sheet. Photos may be printed in black ink or full color for an additional charge. For information on how to submit quality photos, watch our video, Submitting Artwork and Photos. A table of contents follows the personal pages and displays recipe categories in the order they appear in your cookbook. Subcategories won't be listed. An index follows the recipe pages and alphabetizes recipes within each category and subcategory. For no extra charge, you may also include a contributor index, which lists recipe contributors in alphabetical order. An optional mail order page will be added that will feature your cookbook title, price, and contact information to place the order. If you send recipe pages press ready, then you must submit all cookbook pages press ready, including your title page, personal pages, table of contents, index, and any other pages. Download our Press Ready guide to prepare these pages. You will receive a free proof to review and approve before we begin production. If you submit your recipes using Type and Save, you may also create your personal pages online. Type and Save allows you to review, edit, and approve all cookbook pages before placing your order. Contact us if you need assistance. Our goal is to help you create a beautiful cookbook everyone will be proud to own. We provide all the ingredients for success.